You have worked in patents and the IP industry in China for several years. How is the current COVID-19 situation affecting the industry in general? And like, what are the major changes you've seen in the last few months?
We can see that the patent applications hasn't the number of patent application filings hasn't declined a lot, but a little bit declined. But we guess in the next 3 months, the number of filings may be declined more. And also, the data is the findings of the number of findings, application findings by universities and research institutions has declined by 10% in the first 3 months compared to first 3 months of 2019.
You personally, Yanling, you have a solid experience in prosecuting patents around the world. And how is the current situation affecting that specific line of work in particular? And is it having an effect on some of the international collaboration?
What I noticed is that many companies in different industries are reducing the operation cost, and also some international firms offers discounted service fees for China companies during the pandemic. So I think it will have an effect.
You're qualified by the China Patent Bar. You passed also the U.S. Patent Bar exam. Have you seen any unprecedented regulation, instructions, temporary measures at these levels related to the COVID-19 situation?
One is that a temporary measure issued by the China National Intellectual Property Office Administration, and any applicant can file an application to request a priority examination for the patent applications related to coronavirus. For example, the China National Intellectual Property Administration only took 7 days to grant a patent, a utility model patent related to a medical instrument. Go.
Oh, wow.
And and another example is the companies can mortgage the IP assets to lend money from the bank based on a very low lending rate, depending on the policies of different cities.
It sounds like China is really trying to take measures in order to fight this virus and bring out anything that's going to help fight this international pandemic.
Yes, I think so. The China government wants to put all kinds of efforts to reduce the impact of economics and China and the companies.
And another core line of work you dedicate to is technology and IP licensing. Do you see IP stakeholders having any budgetary impact due to the current situation? Would you say the impact is more noticeable in some jurisdictions or technologies rather than others?
The Chinese licensing is still waiting to sign a license agreement with a company in Europe. They urged me. They urged me to make a call to accelerate the signing of the contract, the license contract. They haven't seen much influence for that, but I think we may have impact by the companies in other jurisdictions like Europe.
Anything else you would like to add that reflects how the industry has been impacted by the global reality that we're currently living in?
There are a lot of online seminars and online lectures because those seminars are given by the experienced lawyers and experienced examiners and or technology licensing experts. So we think we can learn a lot of knowledge from the experienced practitioners and in various areas. And I hope Chinese practitioners can provide the best quality service for the clients around the world in the future.